everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I make the most delicious Instant Pot butter chicken. Not only is this recipe tasty and easy, but it is also extremely healthy. It is gluten and dairy-free and Whole30 compliant, which is exactly how I've been eating for the entire month of August. The best part about this butter chicken recipe is that it only takes about 5 minutes to prep your ingredients before you get them in the Instant Pot. So what I'm doing here is mincing up 4 cloves of garlic and dicing up 1 large yellow onion. You'll need about 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs. You can use breasts if you want. I've used it before, but I definitely prefer the texture of the chicken thighs in the Instant Pot. It comes out so delicious and perfectly cooked every single time. So you can just go ahead and trim off any excess fat that you want and dice these up into bite-sized pieces. That is it for the prep. We are ready to start cooking. So I'm going to start by turning on the saute function. And when it says hot, I added in a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil and my garlic and onion mixture. Just let that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes and you'll see your onions start to soften. When it's done, just turn off that saute function and we're going to start with adding our spice mix. I have all the spices listed here on the screen. The only one you might not recognize is the first one, the garam masala. This I was able to find at my local grocery store, but if you don't, it's pretty easy to make it yourself. Now I'm adding in a can of coconut milk as well as about 3/4 cup of tomato paste. I didn't measure, I just used the rest of what I had. Go ahead and add those in to your onion and garlic mixture, spices, and give that a really good stir to make sure that everything is really well combined. So once that is all mixed up nicely, you can go ahead and add in your chopped chicken thighs and give that a really good stir so that everything is mixed before we place our lid on, making sure that the sealing valve is sealed. We're going to set our Instant Pot to the poultry mode, and this is going to cook for 10 minutes. This is exactly what I love about the Instant Pot. Once you get everything in there and program it, that's all you have to do. It's going to cook away all on its own. So now I have time to cook my side dishes and clean up the kitchen. To go along with my butter chicken, I'm going to make some cauliflower rice and some green beans. If you are not on Whole30, then you could definitely do traditional rice, or even some naan bread would be amazing to soak up the delicious sauce that you'll be having. But I'm doing Whole30 this month, so I'm just sauteing up my cauliflower rice with my green beans and some olive oil, and I just added in some simple spices, some salt, and my everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's, and I'm just going to let that cook through. Now, I let the Instant Pot natural release for 10 minutes, and now I'm just going to release any remaining pressure that might be left in the pot. Once the pressure valve has dropped, I can open everything up, and I'm actually going to turn this back on the saute mode and let that bubble away for about 3 minutes to thicken up. Now, this is completely optional, but you can add in a scoop of any Whole30 compliant flour and stir that up just to thicken it up even more. I like a little bit of a thicker sauce, so this I tend to do just so that I have that nice thick sauce that I really like. So here is the chicken all done, and wish you could smell it. It smelled seriously amazing. And I'm just going to put a big scoop on top of my vegetable mixture, making sure that there's plenty of sauce to finish seasoning that. So that's going to be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make this healthy Instant Pot butter chicken and that you'll be giving it a try really soon. If you do, make sure that you leave me a comment letting me know how it turned out, or you can always tag me over on Instagram. So I'm going to see you guys next Monday at my brand new time. I'm going to be posting Monday afternoon at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll make sure to see you then. Bye.